Hello again, Brad from KLR Automotive, and today we're on the gearbox bench. We've just finished stripping an LT95 gearbox, and I just wanted to show you a couple of things that we do to prepare the case. Now, in this situation, some of you may have already noticed a little bit of a flaw with this one. We had a front prop shaft let go, and that's obviously condemned the case. But it's a good example of what I want to run you through today, and specifically all the threaded holes on these gear cases. Now, most people just strip the box, clean up the case, scrape off the gasket surface, and then jam the old bolts back in. But we've found it's far quicker and easier when it comes to assembly to clean out all these holes. And the other thing we do, we take all the old bolts and put them in the bin, and we start with new bolts. It's cheap, it's quick, and it's easy. So, the first thing we do is grab our trusty cordless drill, and in this case it's an M8 bottoming tap. There's no need to use a taper or an intermediate. A bottoming tap's fine because we're not actually cutting the thread. We're just cleaning out any old thread locker, gasket maker, gasket sealant, dirt, grease, mud, whatever's jammed up in there. And that is as difficult as it gets, but what I specifically wanted to show you here, that thread's actually damaged, and it's actually been stripped out, and we did identify that when we were pulling it apart. So that now is a candidate to be helicoiled. For those of you who don't know what a helicoil is, it's basically a thread repair system. There's a few different ones on the market. We like the helicoil ones, but they're basically a stainless steel spring, for want of a better term. We drill that out, we tap it oversized, and then that just gets wound in with a special tool, and it's as good as new. In fact, it's even stronger than new because now you have a stainless steel thread there. So, part of the cleaning up, we clean all the threads out, we blow them out with air, we inspect each one, make sure everything's okay, do any helicoil repairs that we need to, and then this case would normally go off to get the gasket surfaces cleaned and a pressure cleaned, ready for assembly. So there's 55 M8 holes on this gear case, and all of them need to be cleaned out. At first that sounds like a lot of holes and a lot of tedious work, but let me tell you, with this, it's very, very quick once you get into the rhythm. So we've worked out over the years, this is our best practice that works very, very well for us when it comes to gearbox reassembly, and there's absolutely no reason why it won't work for you.